Hi children, happy day. This is Karthik, skating master, Sun Academy Group of School.
Hi children, myself Magesh, skating master, Sun Academy Group of Schools. This class will teach you the basic inline.
Basic inline.
You have to start with basic inline means before you have to complete your beginner's level.
Basic level finished.
Very well. Okay, then only you have to go for basic inline type. Okay, this which brand you have to buy for basic inline means Casco or Axelo. Okay, Casco you can get it in all sports shop, and the Axelo you can get it in Decathlon shops. It's very good brand. You can buy it there also, no problem. Do warm up and then have to go for skating.
You got the skates.
Okay.
Now children, do that. You let first you start warm up. Initially, you have to first jog 2 minutes. After finish your jog, this type of skate you learn different warm up. Let's see. You have to moving open close, not standing or move open close. Let's see, moving like this. Like that. First warm up, then next second warm up. After bend your body nicely, swing, both arms swing. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Swing. 1, 2, 3. Swing. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Next warm up. You walk in the toe. This is fully moving warm up. Only easy to skate, easy to learn. Walk in the toe. Next, walk in the heel. Next, in moving, you have to quick run. Next, you have to slowly jump. Please children, now you start with the toy inline. Let's see.
This class will teach you how to do the skates, and you have to compulsory buy this hard helmet, hard type helmets. The beginner's helmet is not okay for beginner inlines. Okay, we'll show you how to put the helmet. Okay. You have to compulsory tight it in the back side. Okay. And then you have to adjust the size of the skates. If your leg is too small, you can short this. If your foot size is large, you can press this one and you can expand the size. Okay. We'll show you now how to put the skate. First you have to loose this one by pressing this one, and you have to release the velcro. Okay. First you have to tie your lace. Okay. You have to tight it very well. Then only your leg will not shake. Second one, you have to put the belt. That also you have to put it very tight. Then you have to lock this one, third one. This is very important one. You have to tie this very well. Then only your ankle will not shake. You will not get any pain. It will stand very well. You can learn easily. Okay. This is very important for part in the basic inline. Will teach you how to start your basic inline skates. Okay. First type, you have to keep your hands straight and bend. No need to bend. Just you keep your hands straight and start to walk.
Slowly
Okay?
walk. Slowly you learn the balance.
For every type, you have to do the same one. At least 4-5 class, you have to do this same method. Then only you will get a good touch.
Okay. We'll learn next technique in next class. Bye children.
Bye children.
Hi children. Happy day. This is Karthik, skating master, Sanagam Group of School.
Myself Magesh, skating master, Sun Academy Group of Schools.
This class will learn new technique. Let's watch. After now, after basic position bend. Basic position bend. Check your body, toe, knee, shoulder. Then hands back. Now slowly skate. Walk. The position is very important, children. The stand means definitely you fall down. The bending means you learn the balance and easy to skate. Good.
When you do this type of skate, you should not stand. You compulsory have to bend properly. Okay. Stop. Okay, children. This class is over. Next, we'll teach you in next class. Okay. See you.
Bye bye. Hi children. Happy day. This is Karthik, skating master, Sanagam Group of School.
Hi, children. Myself Magesh, skating master, Sun Academy Group of Schools.
This class will learn C position in toys inline. Let's see children.
C pushing is very important part in the basic inline. Okay. Basic position. You have to stand first basic position. Then you have to push your one leg. Left leg push. Push your one leg and you have to draw C. Okay. Yes. You have to complete like this and close. Like that. You have to do it in
Don't shake your back
upper body.
Upper body. Okay.
Like that you have to do the same in the right leg. You have to draw C. Okay, the C pushing is very important in the inline skating. When you skate, you have to push your skates like this only. So it's called as C pushing. You have to practice this very well, then only you can correct your pushing style. Then we'll show you how to implement this pushing when you skate. Okay? Stand basic pushing. First you have to stand in basic position. Then you have to keep your hands back. Then you can start and push your skates slowly forward in V shape. Then back side skate, back side leg. Back side you have to complete your C shape. Come on, push C shape.
Turn.
Pushing, you have to complete the same one what you did already.
Slow. See pushing. That's the next one.
The C pushing is very important part in the inline skating.
Stop.
Okay, children. After you draw the C shape movements, you can implement in the skating practice. Okay. Now you have to bend your body very well. Okay, like this. Keep your hands back. Okay. Now start skate and draw the C. Okay. Start. Forward you have to push V shape. You learned already in the basic skating. Back side you have to draw C. Come on, yes. Draw the C shape pushing. Okay. The C shape pushing is very important part in the basic inline. So compulsory everyone have to do perfectly. When you practice the C shape pushing, your ankle should not bend. Okay, your skate should be very straight only. Your leg should not bend like this outer side or inner side. It should not bend. You have to keep the skates very straight. Okay. After you finish your skating practice, it's compulsory to do the pull down. Okay. Now we will teach you the new pull downs for inline, basic inlines. Okay. First, you have to catch one leg forward. No. Two. Yes. The same one we already did in the basic. It's compulsory to do this. That's why.
Change. Cross.
Now cross your leg and touch your toe. First right leg cross. Change. Next left leg cross. Next leg catch. Now open your legs and catch your ankle and sit both side and okay children, next one you have to sit leg straight, catch your both leg toe and head down. For 5 to 10 seconds you have to do every exercise. Next, open your leg, catch your one leg toe first with both hands and head down. Change. Change. Okay, next you have to close your one leg. Okay, like this you have to close your legs and catch with your body. Change. Okay, next one is muscle loose up. Okay, you have to lose your thigh muscle and calf muscle.
Shaking.
So you have to shake your legs like this. Okay, next one is butterfly. Next, asanam. Forward. Okay. That's it, children. Okay. After finishing skating practice, you have to compulsory do the cool down. This and all warm down exercise you have to do it in the home.
Bye bye children. Take care.
Bye bye children.